Want to create something like this? Come along and follow the steps. So first you look for very bright and vibrant colored strawberries and you duplicate them. You do the same for the other side. And then you just scatter them at different angles, all of them, not a neatly arranged manner. Then you're going to choose your glass and you change the background. Then you duplicate again smaller strawberries and you scatter them on the page like so. So this will be your strawberry advert. You just arrange them anyhow, at different angles anyhow. Not a perfect look, but just a scattered look. So just add in the corners like so. Once I'm done, I'll add the text. And then I'll duplicate the page and then I'll just adjust here. Then once I'm done, I'll just move the strawberries towards the glass. I'll do the same for the other side also. I'll just move the strawberries closer to the glass, just a little bit. Then I'll duplicate the page and I'll bring the strawberries again more tighter to the glass, next to the glass. So you can adjust the strawberries anyhow, whichever way, which looks nice in your eyes. But this is just for you to get the idea how to do it. You adjust the text also. Then you add your transition, match and move, 1 second duration. And you apply to all pages. The timing also, you move it to 1 second, you apply to all the pages. Then you're going to download this page because it's on the YouTube thumbnail. I want to put it on video so that I can add the audio sound, the whoosh sound. So I'll go to Canva homepage, YouTube video, and then I'll just paste the video that I did, and I go to uploads for my audio. I add the sound, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.